I've clicked the link for Zoom for GSuite. I'm going to click install. Continue. It's asking me for my WFU credentials. Yes, it's got to manage everything to do this. Done. And now when I go to the calendar, I will have this little sidebar here on the right. If you don't see it, there's an arrow down here in the bottom right that hides it and shows the panel. And the Zoom for GSuite is here. You may have to sign in and authorize here as well. I did the first time I installed this. I uninstalled the app to record this demo and reinstalled it, so it may have held the authorization. But now if you start a meeting, you click a spot, you'll open it up, and now here you can make it a Zoom meeting. Give it a title. And of course you have more options and such. It will, if you add guests, it will send them the link and all that good stuff. That's it.